Electro-Tech UG. Current technology. Future excellence.
Hello and welcome to Electro-Tech UG. Today I'll be showing you how to diagnose and repair a faulty flat iron. So you must be well conversant with all the parts that make it up. But before we dive into today's project, I would like to recognize Munnah Electrical and Water Plumbing Engineering Company for quality plumbing and electrical services. Munnah is the team to call. We are proud to recommend them. As usual, make your tools ready. Some of the common faults have no power, faulty thermostat, damaged cord, or in case it wasn't heating up, and as well turning on. So we have to open it up and check the thermostat and as well the heating element. So you have to first set your multimeter into continuity and check if the thermostat can turn on or off. Then as well check for the continuity of the heating element on the sole plate. Once the multimeter indicates some resistance when you're measuring the heating element, it means it is in good condition. And once you don't see anything, your coil is down. So go ahead and buy a new flat iron. So for our case, we have to continue and now do the adjustments on the thermostat since it wasn't giving quite a good message. So you have to adjust it. The thermostat consists of an adjustment knob and as well as a bimetallic strip which is made out of different materials. In most cases, the adjustment knob may not be in position to complete the circuit when turned fully. So you have to make sure that it is at its initial point, whereby at an instant of turning it, the connection would be complete. After all the adjustments, when putting back the cover, make sure that the supply points don't touch the metallic cover, because in most cases it may result into electric shocks. So make sure that you insulate or make sure that those points don't bend and touch the metallic cover. So for our case, we improvised with a sleeve from another spoiled flat iron that we were working on and had a broken heating element. So we had to remove some spare parts that we could use in our other repair session. So put back everything. Put the screws back as well in the right position as you remove them. So we can use the knob and remodify the starting point of our thermostat. Connect the supply cable and we do the initial testing before putting the handle. If we don't receive effective results, then it's another opening. So before we do the final touches, we have to do the testing. Plug in your supply cable. As you can see, our flat iron is indicating that it is working After doing the final touches, turning it on and off, it was working. So since it is working as required, we have to back the handle and we test when the handle is also there. Our flat iron is working as required. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on our video. Yeah, we would like to receive any feedback from you.